Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll show you guys how to remove or replace interior door handle on Hyundai Sonata, the generation from 2005 to 2010. Stay with us and we'll show you how to do it now. Okay, next we'll need to remove a couple caps. We have a few caps that you'll be able to find screws underneath them. Okay. We have quite a few videos on that car guys, so check out the playlist. We have another playlist on World Mechanics, our second channel as well. Okay, and now we need to get the Phillips screwdriver and we need to start removing those screws. Okay, one is out. We have this one over there. Okay, we need to remove the one here. And we should have on the bottom one towards the front there. Okay, next we need to get a prying tool. Okay, and there is a couple clips on the door panel. We'll show you where they are once we guys get it loose and remove it, so you know where to apply more pressure. Okay, now we need to remove that plastic piece here. We forgot about it. You need to open the handle to pull it out because the handle stays on the door. And you need to lift it straight up now. Okay, it's almost coming out. Okay, perfect. Next, all you have to do is just disconnect the wiring for the window switch. So you need to press in there and pull out. Okay, like that. Let's show you where the clips are quick. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clips. In order to remove the interior door handle, you need to remove this screw. Okay, right there. Just pull it out all the way. Then you need to slide the handle towards the back. Okay, like that. And you pull it out. You need to disconnect all the cables now. So how you do that? You pull them out from here and remove them. Okay, perfect. So this is guys the interior door handle, as you can see right here. That's how you guys remove it. The rear door. Right side will be the same. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and see you guys next time.